Hello everyone, in this tutorial, you'll be learning how to remove background sound from any video. Like if you do a video, maybe you screen record your video now, as I screen record my own video right now, with the same now. So, like background noise they come for the back, like background noise come plenty. Maybe where you are shooting, maybe where you are doing your screen recording, a lot of sound is there. So, and you don't know how to remove that background noise. So that in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can remove your background noise from any video you are doing. So that's just it. So follow me to the end of this video and don't skip anything. So the first thing you just need to do is that to get your video down. Maybe you have done the video. I did a screen record of about 20 seconds. I hope you get. So I'll just be using that. Then I'll go to my sender. So let me show you the video, the screen record that I did first. So this is it. So about 20 something seconds. So let me play. Let's give you a listen to this voice look now. So on this video now, I just put this as a sample. Because in this tutorial, give you a listen to this voice look now. This video now, there's a background sound coming in. Because in this tutorial, I want to teach you guys. So I want to teach you how to. As you can see that there's a background sound coming outside. So how can you remove that? So just come to your sender, go to your sender, search for your sender. Then after going to your sender, maybe normally your sender will show you this place, this spot. Come on for you. So you go come this music side, this music for this downside, you go come here. Also you get. Then the next thing now, you now select what video. So you make sure that you select video to audio. Then that video you make it to an audio. So you'll be able to change it. So click here. So you convert that video to audio. So this is it. This is the stuff here. So let me play this. Then this is it. So I'll convert it to audio like that. I hope you get. So this is it. So now, how can I remove this thing? Then I'll go to after you convert it to audio, that's the first step you do. Then you come to your file manager. After you come your file manager for here. If you don't use your file manager, it will show you these spots. Then just find the way you locate your own. Then come to your browse. Then you now go to under sender your file manager. So come to under sender for here. Locate your own side under sender. Then go to audio under your sender. Go to your audio. Then go to top MP3. Or we get top MP3. So now there it is. So in case you don't see top MP3, you will see if you come here, if you click on this music, then you see top MP3 direct. This is all music, this playlist, but top MP3, that way you come to change your stuff. So now after I come to top MP3 now, then the video, I have to locate where the video is. So this is the video here. This is it. So this is it. So I have to change the file extension. How would I change the file extension? I have to change this file extension. If you look at this file extension is MP3, but you change it to M4A. .m4a. Okay, let me show you. Long press on this stuff, then come to this small, then rename it. So you renaming it now. So let me say noise remover. I will get. No, I want to name it. So .mp. This now is MP3. You now clear that MP3 .m4a to be M4a. How big you change the file extension? Then click on OK. You see now if you change this file extension, you may not be able to open it. Don't mind them, just click on OK. How we get. So I've changed the file extension like that. So this is it. Noise remover. Can you see it? Noise remover M4a. Then they have done the first tab. The next thing to now go to your Google Chrome. Go to your Google Chrome. So make sure you watch the video to the end so you get everything correctly. Then type podcast.adobe.com. Did you see so? Podcast.adobe.com. Then click go like that. Right, so once you play, this is where it take you to. This is the interface of this Adobe podcast. Then click on this 3-dot line here, this 3 line here. So when you click on this 3 line, then click on what enhance pitch. So you see remove noise and echo from the voice recording. So enhance pitch, click on it. So the reason why I told you that to change, okay, let's go on. Choose file. Click on choose file here. Then you're now gonna pick that file. Come to your photos and words, videos. As long as the recording you did now, you can just click on the recording. So audio and video. Then you locate the sound stuff. So this is it now. Noise remover. Can you see the downside? Noise remover. All right, so it's uploading. You should just chill for it. It's uploading. So can see it's enhancing speech. So the reason why I said that you should change it to M4A.M4A was because that if you upload MP3 on this place, on this stuff, it will not go. It will not work. Obligate, it will not work. That's why you have to change the file extension name. You have to change it. So that's just it. Okay, all right. So this is it now. Our stuff are what have enhanced now. Click on this place. Then for us to preview the sound, let's play it. You see, let's play it. Can you see? Can you see how clear the voice is now? There is no any background sound. Can you see that? Can you see the sound now? Like the sound here is what is clear and clean. It's not like the one we did before. So what you need to do, click on download to download it. So that's not all. After you download it, you have to go and put this sound that because this what we downloaded is just a sound. Then you go and input the sound inside that video back. So can you see that file downloaded? So that's download. So next thing you just need to do now, this file that we download, we will carry am. Then that video with the sound too, with the make noise, when we say echo there, we'll carry the video, carry and go in shots or CapCut. Anyone they want to use, but I want to use it in shots. Go to your in shots. Go and take your InShot app, download. If you have it, go to Play Store or App Store to download InShot. Then take InShot. Then you come to your video here. Then click on what's new here. So then pick that sound. This one, this is the one that the screen recording, the one that we did. Now our video, the normal video itself. So you pick it. So once you pick it, then you import it here. Click on check mark to import it back here. So all right. So the first thing to do anytime you get to InShot, remove the InShot background watermark here. Click on this watermark here. Then click on remove watermark. It will show you an ad that you have to watch. Okay, all right. So it has removed now. So if I play this, so can you see now? Good afternoon. You see that there's so in this video now, I just put it as a sample. All right. Give you listen to the voice note now. So what doesn't do that? Well, click on this stuff. Click on it. Once you click on this thing, you click on this thing here. Once you click on it, you come to your volume. This is your volume here. This is your volume. I hope you get. Click on your volume. Then reduce this volume to 0. Like this. We'll not hear any sound again. So we have cancelled this sound. So now the sound where we can go generate from that podcast adobe.com. Now we can replace from this one. I hope you understand. So when you cancel this card, then click on check mark. Okay, so if we play this thing, there's no any sound again. You see that there's no any sound. All right. So take this one from the beginning back. Draw it to the beginning. Make sure that it's at the beginning. Then come to your audio back again. Click on audio. You come to audio here. This audio here. So we want to import that audio that we downloaded. My music here. Okay, all right. So this is a noise remover enhance. So this is what we enhance. So click on it. You see that the sound, there is no background sound there. See how clear it is. So click on what place. So can you see that? So you click on this plus here. This plus here. All right. So after clicking on it, then automatically this has what. This is not the video. Good afternoon. So on this video now, I just put this as a sample. Can you see what? Can you see that? Can you see that our video is not clear and sharp? So this is how the video. Then just come to your. So this is the beginning. It comes from the beginning to the end. This is the sound. This is the video. Then everything is not made together. Then you have to click on this check mark. Clicking on this check mark now. So just come to your export here. Then export your video. Leave it in this 1000 the same so it will be sharp. Then click on what to export. After you export your video, then your video is done. So as you can see, listen to this. So on this video now, I just put this as a sample. You see, if you listen to this voice note now, this video now. So this is the one. This is the original video. Then this is the one that we finally done. So can you see the difference? So on this video now, I just put this as a sample. Can you see? If you listen to this, can you see how clear it is? So that's just it. Because in this tutorial, I want to teach you guys. I want to teach you how to. So that's just it. If you find value in this tutorial and it helps you, kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Like, subscribe, and also share it to others so they can also benefit from it. I remain Quzzyart, aka this best smartphone designer. On to the next, guys.